It's 8 o'clock in the morning. What are they up to? Holy. Read the room, fellas. People are trying to sleep. Oh, that silence was awkward. So, last day in Banyos, and I am going back to the jungle just for a day trip, and I'm the only one on the bus again. The start of the Ecuadorian Amazon rainforest.
For sinus, if you're allergies, here we have the medicine, okay? Only can see in the jungle, not possible at the pharmacies or stores, because this is like a shamanic medicine. It's the first volunteer to taste the medicine.
I would try it.
All right.
My nose is blocked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready? So back. Okay. Yes. Time to cry. You're gonna cry by 1 or 2 minutes by the happiness you are in the jungle. Next, who is?
Wrapped. Do you want one?
Half-hour hike to this waterfall. Beautifully refreshing in there. This is outrageous. Okay. Going to the Kichwa Centre. What on earth? Outrageous. So we went to that village and there's just nobody there. So that was ridiculous. Then go to another village. That one looks sick as well. Animals to hold, blow darts, costumes. Oh well.
Fruit, they think the paint is for protecting for the bad energies or bad spirits. They are gonna make a small tattoo in your face if you want, of course. Cleaning your energy. Well, also here in this community they are offering the service if you want to eat worm. Remember when we were walking? Here they have this because the original have 4 meters long. It's so heavy. With the biggest one, they are going to shoot long distances, like 40, 50 meters, because it's not possible to stay close of the animals. They are going to smell.
Todos vamos a coger así en esta posición. ¿Sí? ¿Listos?
Okay, put attention here. So close. It's not simple for this situation. You have to bring
Exacto.
5 specimens. Oh, that poor little girl. Everyone wants a photo of her. Hey, Lee.
Don't press too much, like only like this, okay? Don't press too much because maybe it can break. Yes. Yes. Look.
$10 for a blowgun. Blow dart gun. Crazy. And the viewpoint of the Amazon rainforest. It's crazy.
Oh my god.
Is that the safe bit? A little knot?
Yes, of course.
Sure.
Okay, 2 hands in the rope and feet up all the time for your safety, okay? Most important thing, feet up.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go, feet up. Oh! Yes.
That vape thing was sick, but I did not trust that branch it was on. Like, one day that's gonna snap, but not today, baby. Bit of a crappy hammock, but beautiful view.
It's okay.
Oh, Jesus.
The form of the chocolate bar. That chocolate is used to make there with the milk.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Esto ahí para el frío.
Sorry. That's okay. I'm going to Hawa. The name of the river is Hawa.
Esta se ocupa en vez de plata.
Ah, ese es el que se hace. Ajá. Ya.
I went to both the regular school
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the oil. Where's the oil?
Con el movimiento.
Is that from the same chocolate?
I'm not saying it's wrong, I'm just saying it's not absolutely. I'll try to get all of you guys in. No? Okay.
Come on, sir, take a seat here.
No, I'm good.
I'm sorry.
I just tried to go get a $3 pizza for 4 slices in quite a busy establishment. It looked nice, small but good, and they're out of cheese, so that's a no-go. Disappointing that is. You know what? I'm gonna have another bloody lasagna from some different place. Oh no, it's closed. Maybe if it's not closed, $8.50. Very happy with the look of that. That looks incredible.